I ferried my boat without an oar. I defeated vanity, greed and attachment, and looked for the Lord with an undivided mind. Thus did I recognize my own soul. Travelers across the centuries, whether Mughal emperors, Western adventurers, or itinerant wanderers, have all marveled at the beauty of Kashmir, calling it paradise on earth. But the Kashmiris have a different name for their home, calling it Pirvar or Rishivar, the valley of rishis and Sufi peers. Kashmiri history is rich with saints and seekers, but perhaps none is so well known or so well loved as Hazrat Nuruddin Nurani.
मेरा नाम है रश्मि, तो मैं आज पहली बार यहाँ आ रही हूँ। मेरा बहुत मन था यहाँ आने का। कभी-कभी ऐसी जगहों में मौका मिलता है तो ऐसी जगहों पे जाती हूँ।
He has given real essence of Islam. He has said Islam is not to sit and worship in a corner and take the beads in the hand. Biggest worship is to help people.
The shrine of Nuruddin is located at Charare Sharif, barely 40 kilometers away from Srinagar. Affectionately known as Nund Rishi, this 14th century saint drew deeply upon the local Shaivite mystic philosophy of the Hindu rishis and melded it with the more austere theology of Islamic mysticism. The result of Nund Rishi's efforts was the formation of a silsila called the Sufi Rishi order. This is the bedrock of Kashmiri identity. It's little wonder that he is called the Alamdar or flag bearer of Kashmiriyat and is considered Kashmir's patron saint. The original wooden shrine at Charare Sharif was burned down during a confrontation with militants in 1995. But a new structure has risen to take its place, highlighting the resilience of the common people's faith in the saint of the valley. Nund Rishi's nomadic social activism did not arise out of thin air. He had a predecessor, somebody that he considered his spiritual mother, Lal Ded. Lal Ded's tale is one of the most intriguing stories from the region. Born into a Brahmin family in 1320 and named Laleshwari, she left behind an unhappy marriage to embrace a path of sannyas or renunciation. A woman of strong will, Lal Ded cared nothing for social convention and would not even wear clothes during her wanderings. She was unconcerned with superficial differences, saying, "Shiva pervades every place and thing. Do not differentiate between Hindu and Musalman. If you're intelligent, recognize your own self. That is the true acquaintance with God." These sayings or vakyas of Lal Ded were her major contribution to Kashmir. More than 200 such sayings survive, passed down from generation to generation. These laid the foundations on which Nund Rishi, travelling through the valley, built the Sufi Rishi order. Although Lal Ded was the most important influence on Nund Rishi, Hazrat Mir Hussain Hamdani was the other great figure in his life. This unique spiritual tradition of poetry, social reform and deep humanity lies at the heart of what the Kashmiri people are today. It is what allows them to find a peace within themselves beyond the conflict that has often marred their lives. This is what makes Charar-e-Sharif so special. Every year, thousands of people from across the region come to pay their respects and sustain a living link to Sheikh Nuruddin Nurani and his teachings.
कम से कम एक बार आते हैं, हाज़िरी तो देते हैं। ये जो अपना पुराना रूटीन है अपने दादे परदादे का, वो तो पालना पड़ता है। एक बार तो आना पड़ता है साल में। कभी ऐसा भी है 2, 3 बार, 4 बार भी आ जाते हैं, लेकिन एक बार तो पॉजिटिवली यहाँ हाज़िरी देनी है बाबा की।
কানাই কমল মুখ পেশিতে নয়ন সুখ কোটিন্দু যিনি পর কাহে কানাইর কমল